on the theme for this month, which is Takaful. Did you know the Gulf Cooperation Council is a major player in the global Takaful insurance market? The 6 countries in the region, Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Oman, Bahrain, and Qatar, have the largest number of Islamic insurance operators. In 2022, they accounted for 55.6% of the Takaful receipts worldwide. Hello and welcome to Islamic Finance Weekly. I am Rahma Say Muhammad. It is the end of the month, and as always, let us recap some key developments and stories for September 2024. We begin with the story that Vice President Kashim Shettima believes Nigeria will become #1 hub of opportunities in the global halal economy. He said the nation's economic and demographic size puts in its advantage position to map out a vibrant investment sector for the global halal economy, projected to reach a market value of $7.7 trillion by 2025. The Vice President Kashim Shettima said this during the Halal Economy Stakeholders Engagement Program in Abuja. He noted, however, that Nigeria must first reassess its weaknesses and prioritize its strength to achieve this economic feat. The Vice President commended the private sector for its immune contributions to driving the halal economy, particularly in the financial sector, and encouraged all stakeholders to partner with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration in delivering the halal ecosystem. The Minister of Agriculture and Food Security, Senator Abubakar Kyari, provided key statistics. Nigeria's domestic spending on halal products and services reached approximately $107 billion in 2022. Also speaking, Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy, Wale Edun, said halal products are not just for Muslims. Over 125 products are produced in the halal way. This presents a huge opportunity for rapid growth and improved competitiveness, enhancing our ability to export. Jaiz Bank, Nigeria's pioneer non-interest bank, emerged as the global most promising Islamic bank in 2024. The Global Islamic Finance Awards announced earlier this week that Jaiz Bank was the overall winner in this category over 2 other nominees of equal pedigrees during the Global Islamic Finance Summit and Awards ceremony in the picturesque Republic of Maldives. In a statement, GIFA's chairman, Professor Humayun Dar, said the GIFA Awards Committee evaluated several institutions within the same category and, after a rigorous assessment based on multiple factors outlined in the GIFA methodology, selected Jaiz Bank PLC for this distinguished recognition. He also asserted that the bank was recognized for reinforcing its leadership position as a financial institution that stands out in terms of exceptional growth potential, innovation, and financial performance. Receiving the award, the Managing Director, Chief Executive Officer of Jaiz Bank PLC, Haruna Musa, expressed his gratitude on behalf of the board, management, and staff of the bank. Trust Bank Holdings Limited is pleased to announce that FMDQ Securities Exchange has approved the groundbreaking 20 billion naira non-interest commercial paper program of Saltiva Wakala SPV Limited. This innovative program marks a significant milestone for Trust Bank and the Nigerian financial services industry, offering investors a Sharia-compliant, non-interest-bearing investment option. The NICP program is structured based on the Al-Wakala Bil Istismar, that is, investment agency structure, with Saltiva Wakala SPV Limited acting as the Wakil, that is, investment agent, and Trust Bank Holdings Limited serving as the sub-Wakil, which is sub-investment agent. This dynamic structure ensures the ethical deployment of funds in line with non-interest financing principles. The Saltiva Wakala NICP provides investors with a Sharia-compliant, ethical alternative to conventional financial products, aligning with non-interest financial principles. With this market's first NICP program, we believe we have made a significant contribution to addressing the increasing demand for non-interest financial instruments. NICP is an excellent liquidity management tool for non-interest banks, mutual funds, Takaful schemes, and pension funds. Islamic Finance Weekly will go on a break, and when we return, we will bring you more updates. Welcome back. Here is the Fact Box segment. According to Transparency Markets Research, the global halal market, valued at $2.7 trillion in 2015, is expected to grow to about $10.51 trillion in 2024. Now to our next story. Since its inception in 2008, the International Islamic Trade Finance Corporation, ITFC, has significantly boosted food security for the OIC member countries, financing $13 billion in food security initiatives. The contributions have grown nearly fivefold, from $419 million in 2008 to $2.17 billion in 2023. Key programs such as the ISDB Food Security Response Program and the AATB food security programs have been instrumental in addressing the food security crisis. ITFC efforts are estimated to have provided essential food commodities to 45 million people and financing to 560,000 farmers. At the recent Head of Multilateral Development Banks meeting, the Vice President Finance of the Islamic Development Bank and Chief Financial Officer, Dr. Zamir Iqbal, represented the ISDB President. The MDB heads advocated for strengthening the communications on all aspects of development interventions implemented by the MDBs, continuing the engagement with the G20 presidency, building on the recommendations outlined in the G20 roadmap and the MDB's viewpoint note, as well as streamlining the monitoring and reporting and establishing the co-financing platforms and mechanisms to facilitate financing to the member countries at scale. ISDB is looking forward to engaging with the MDB's heads during the next high-level meetings. Now on our last story, stakeholders converged in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, to explore and discuss innovative risk management and financial inclusion strategies that can create clear pathways to financial and economic solutions with the support of the National Insurance Authority of Somaliland, Somaliland Banking Association, Islamic Finance Research Institute Ghana, and Al Baraka Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited. The forum featured a diverse range of topics, including developing effective regulations and supervision for the Takaful and Takaful industries, ensuring adherence to Islamic principles in Takaful and Takaful operations, exploring new investment avenues and innovative financial products, analyzing the latest trends and challenges facing the global Takaful and Takaful market. The event brought together representatives and distinguished speakers from over 15 countries to concentrate on creating regulations for Takaful and Takaful. The aim was to facilitate seamless operations and expansion to keep abreast of the latest trends, challenges, and opportunities within the global Takaful industry, including banker Takaful, micro Takaful, and Takaful. Takaful provides a practical solution for the requirements of the financial industry, including banking and insurance sectors. And that brings us to the end of the news day of Islamic Finance Weekly today. Don't forget to keep it to date with us next week on the program. Follow us on all of our social media platforms displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching, and I am Rahma Say Muhammad.